Hello everyone, this is PK Siddhampuranathan from Remax Community, and I want to welcome you all to my newest listing, 56 Forest Manor Drive. This condo is situated in the heart of Toronto, walkable distance to Fairview Mall, minutes to the Don Mills subway line. This is every investor's dream. Let's take a walk inside and you guys can see the property for yourself. There you have it. That is 56 Forest Manor Drive. I want to thank you for taking the time to see my newest listing. If you or anybody else that you know is interested in this property, please do not hesitate to contact me. Once again, I'm PK Siddhampuranathan from Remax Community, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you and best of luck with your house hunt.